Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I've been doing a lot of purging, just getting rid of stuff. We're on the verge of packers coming to get to our next duty station. So we are, well, I am throwing away a lot of excess recycled materials and stuff like that. But with that said, I have time today to play with my toy that I had hauled a while ago from Tuesday morning. And this is the Becky Higgins Project Life. What is this tool? Fuse tool. Okay, so it was $9.99 at Tuesday morning. And I figure I would give it a shot and play with it and see what it's all about, because I've got some projects that I want to get done. So let me get this out of the box and I'll be back. Okay, so they say to let this baby warm up for a long time before you're ready to use it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this tip, which is the rolling tip that comes, whoops, the wheel tip. So it comes like that, and you use that to roll onto your plastic Project Life sheets, protective sheets. So that just connected really easy. You just screw it on, and it comes with a little stand. And it comes with a little ruler with little grips on the bottom. It's a metal ruler. I'm guessing you let it sit on this thing. Cord for this thing. All right, in the meantime, let me pull out a plastic sleeve and a piece of cardboard. That's what I've seen a lot of the girls use to fuse on top of. And I do have these trading card sleeves. Is that cute? Put it on her Pokemon sleeve for my son. I'm gonna cut this off. So I want to. I see a lot of girls on YouTube making those envelope pouches. I don't know what I want to do. So let me just, let's see, cut one of them off. I'll cut this. There's 3 sections here. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to cut. How about chunky glitter, jumbo glitter from Walmart? Oh no. I can actually smell the metal heating up. Might be better. I'm gonna use a little bit of this champagne color, and it's also a different size. Let's see. This will work out really cute for mermaids. Mermaid shakers would be better. Static cling. Okay. Okay, let's see. Slow, steady pressure. And I'm assuming this little, I do have some shells. Assuming this plastic won't take much effort, because the pocket or the plastic itself is. And go from there. Let's try it out, guys. It's very little. I mean, not a lot in there. Let's play with these from Dollar Tree. It's gonna be a little pocket, and I don't want to use a lot, so I'm just going to. I love that. You got greens, the blues, the pink, and the little champagne gold. And look at that. It's so pretty. always fun. Oh, I don't like the sound this thing makes. Plastic. It's cute. Sorry guys, I'm assuming that you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. And these are
a little bit right there. I think that's it. It's so cute. Those micro beads would be really pretty too. All right, let's just go ahead and make it look like a tag then. All right, that's what I'm gonna do.
Let's see if I like it.
Gonna go right across.
And some of the ladies were like, "Don't you?"
There you go. I'm gonna do the same here.
I got this from my friend Kat from Lolly Thimble here on YouTube. Super cute. Some lovely green.
And there is my shaker tag. I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this fun little shaker. Usually ladies will be having their mix all ready to go. This was just on the fly, so
I don't have a scheme.
So yeah, I think I want to punch a hole in there. And they say you can put a line through the top, just like a barrier for the rest of the shaker.
Okay.
And then punch your hole. And then if you have like a grommet setter or whatever, you can put a grommet there. But I think I want to
blue
do like
and white sequins
separation up on the top.
So I just want to share it. There we go.
Go right across.
So pretty.
That's what I want to do.
And just make sure my edges are sealed.
That looks pretty sealed to me.
Okay. I'm gonna put it right here.
And I'm just gonna go right across the top. How about we go all the way to the top? Let's see. Ooh, that looks hot. Yeah, that's sealed. Yeah, there it is. Guys, I didn't read the directions on how to use this thing, so don't mind me. I'm doing it all wrong. You just want all the edges to look alike.
Oh, here's another one. This is from Kat again, from Lolly Thimble. And this is pink.
I'm just going to shake it all
Just go ahead
down.
and use pink. Tie it around the top. This is not really functional tag, as you can see. So pretty though.
Okay.
Yes, girl.
Nice little tag.
And I had a real
Cute.
hairy.
Oops.
Let's make a little bow. Guys, who else sucks at making bows? At one point I thought I was good at it, and then when I really, really wanted to make a pretty bow, it just kept getting worse and worse. Every time I tried. Oh, that one actually came out pretty decent. All right. That is pretty cute. Okay. Put the rest of this stuff away. Okay, so I pulled out one of my mermaid tags to use as a template, and I'm just gently following a line. I traced the tag onto the cardboard, and I'm hoping that this will turn out nice. For the first time, I'm really trying to be ambitious. Trying to be, but we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna check on how well to take down my plastic. Mermaid glitter from Hobby Lobby. Not glitter,
This is the trial.
sequence. Okay.
Learning.
This time I'm gonna cut from the bottom. Excuse me. And I'm just making a little pour spout.
Nice.
I'm going to.
That's pretty
The
good.
waist ain't too tiny. Oh boy. Didn't think that one grew, honey. Okay, guys, so this is way too small.
Not bad. Uh-oh.
My opening. I'm gonna make a funnel.
Looks good to me.
I'm down there. So we gotta work on it. I'm just gonna pour it.
So now I'm going to just clean it up so it can look like
I
a
can show you what
tag.
it looks like. Okay, guys, so I don't wanna watch this part. It's boring. Be right back.
Okay, so I punched my hole in my, I don't know if you can see that, and it's hard to see right there. Okay, punched a hole, and I found some ribbon. So I got this one from our good friend Kat here on Cat Paper Love, and it's a bunch of pretty fibers. And it's all the colors that. Okay, guys, this is it for
some ribbon.
now. I mean, I think
Some fabric ribbon from
editing to do.
our friend Kat at Lolly Thimble.
So here was
so many
my,
cats.
actually this was my first shaker right here.
So I'm just gonna trim the
And
corners just a little bit.
got a bunch
just so I
of
can have a little
random shaker bits.
you know,
So we got
pointy
clamshells.
Actually,
We've got some
get our ribbons
large
together.
sequins. We have some chunky glitter.
Piece.
And I just turned that one into a tag. This one, I put one of my key ring.
I just keep a
key
lot of the
rings that I
ribbons
picked
that
up
come
from
you know from friends.
Walmart
big
a while
Ziploc.
back, a long time ago.
It's just a bag.
Like
right
a bunch
here.
of different colors, and there you go.
It's
And then I cut this one out.
I just collect them.
I finally got the
when
sequins
I'm ready
in
to
there,
use
like
them,
the gold, the pink, the green,
dig into the
and I added
bag,
a
or into that
green
bag.
key ring.
Look at this
So
fun
I think
fiber.
I think
don't
it
even
came
know
out cute. I mean, there's a
where
lot
she
of
found
practice
this,
that
but
has to
it's
go
so
into
pretty.
this, as far as making sure your edges
it
are
looks
sealed
so cute with that whole
and how much sequins you want to
Mermaid
put into it. So
vibe.
I hope you guys
Love it.
enjoyed the video, and
I'm gonna use
here we
some
go.
of
That's
this
the
also.
final.
And this was
Whoops,
from another
I can't hold
girlfriend.
them.
Here on YouTube.
The last of my
Guys, I cannot remember
what do you call this,
everybody.
user tool for
the
now.
few that I do remember, I'm
And now
so
you
sorry.
can see
the
it's
others
really
that I
good and
don't.
heated because the color has changed from silver to
Um,
like a brown.
But yep, just all know that when you send me something, it goes to good use. So I don't throw it away, which my husband wishes I did. The joy of crafting. To piss off your husband. I'm kidding.